Zoneline inverter models can be used with a standard 24-volt AC signal-type thermostats or a two-way communicating thermostat. Hands down, you will get the best performance using a two-way communicating thermostat like the RAK190V. Take full advantage of our Zoneline inverter technology like precision temperature control, better dehumidification, a wide range of compressor speeds, and more by using our RAK190V thermostat wired in two-way communication mode. The RAK190V is a hardwired thermostat that is compatible with 5 to 8 wire thermostat cable commonly used in the industry, so no special wiring is required. In this example, since we want to take full advantage of the Zoneline inverter technology, we're going to use the 5-pin thermostat connector that came with the VTAC. Prepare the thermostat cable at both ends for connection. Remove 1/4 inch of the insulation from all of the wires at each end. Since all thermostat cables with 5 to 8 wires include red, black, green, white, and yellow, we will use these wire colors in this example. With the thermostat cable prepared at both ends, we'll start by wiring the RAK190V thermostat. Loosen the screw at the bottom of the thermostat. Using a small, flat blade screwdriver, depress the locking tabs at the top of the thermostat and slowly separate the thermostat from the base. With the thermostat base mounted to the wall using the instructions that came with the thermostat, we can begin connecting the wiring to the thermostat base. Push the red cable wire into the base terminal marked R. Push the black wire into the terminal marked C. Push the white wire into the terminal marked A+. Push the green wire into the terminal marked B-, and push the yellow wire into the terminal marked RS485. To attach the thermostat to the base, start by aligning the top alignment tabs as shown. Rotate the bottom of the thermostat down until the bottom locking tabs engage. Secure the screw at the bottom of the thermostat. There are several labeling versions of the 5-wire thermostat connector. Shown here is the correct labeling diagram for this thermostat connector. Regardless of the diagram included with your thermostat connector, follow the steps in this video to ensure the thermostat is connected properly and will have proper operation. In every labeling version of the thermostat connector, the brown wire is always the same and is correct. So we will start with the brown wire and work our way from one end of the connector to the other in this sequence. Using the wire nuts that came with your thermostat connector included with your VTAC, connect the yellow thermostat cable wire to the brown wire of the thermostat connector. Connect the white thermostat cable wire to the next wire in sequence, which is A+. Connect the green cable wire to the next wire in sequence, which is B-. Connect the black thermostat cable wire in sequence, which is common, and connect the red thermostat cable wire to the last wire at the opposite end of the connector, which is 24 volts AC. With power supplied to the VTAC, go ahead and plug in the 5-pin connector to the 5-pin receptacle on the VTAC. If wired properly, your RAK190V thermostat will boot up in this sequence. Since the RAK190V thermostat is an input device and doesn't actually control the inverter vertical unit, mode 6 needs to be set to off. Press the auxiliary button to access auxiliary settings. AU will be displayed indicating auxiliary mode settings has been accessed. Press the mode button until 6 is displayed. The default setting is 6N, meaning remote thermostat control is on. For the two-way communicating thermostat, it needs to be off. Press the minus button to turn it off, and press the auxiliary button to exit the settings. A solid link icon in the top right corner of the thermostat indicates the thermostat is communicating with the VTAC unit and is wired properly. If you do not get a solid link icon, More than likely, you have reversed the A+ and B- wires. RAK190V thermostat will communicate user-preferred preferences to the vertical air conditioner. The RAK190V thermostat installation is now complete and ready for operation. Thanks for purchasing Zoneline. We're here to support you. For information on this or any other Zoneline products, visit us at geappliancesairandwater.com.